Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to change email on Chewy account, step by step. Let's get started. First, open your internet browser and go to chewy.com. Take a moment to look at the home page as it loads. You should see the Chewy logo at the top and lots of pet products displayed on the main page. If the site looks very zoomed in or tiny, you can still continue. It will not affect this process. Once the website is open, make sure you log into your Chewy account. Look near the top right corner for a button that says Sign In or Account. Click that, then type your email and your password into the boxes you see. When you confirm the sign in, the top right should now show your name or the word account instead of sign in, which tells you that you are logged in. Now click Account at the top of the page. You will usually find this near the Chewy cart icon on the right side. When you click Account, a menu or a new page opens that is all about your personal details and orders. If you accidentally click the cart instead, just go back and click Account again. Next up, tap Settings and Preferences. On the account page, look for a link or tab with the label Settings and Preferences, usually listed with options like Orders or Payment. Click it once and wait a moment for the new section to appear. You should now see controls related to your profile, contact details, and how Chewy reaches you. Many people miss this option because it can be in smaller text, so move slowly down the page if you do not see it right away. With the settings page open, look for your email address and edit it. Scroll gently until you see your current email address written out, often in a contact info or profile section. There will usually be a small edit word or an icon next to that email line. Click directly on that edit control to start changing it. If you see more than one email, you are usually editing the main one that Chewy uses to contact you about orders. After that, follow the instruction you see on screen. A small window or new section will appear, telling you exactly what Chewy needs, such as entering your password again or checking your inbox. Read the short message carefully before you continue so you know what to expect. If it mentions a confirmation email, remember you may need access to the new inbox to finish the change. Now enter your new email address. Click inside the box that asks for the new email and slowly type it, watching for any spelling mistakes. Make sure you include the part after the @ sign, like example@gmail.com, since even one wrong letter can stop you receiving order updates. Many beginners forget to type the same new email twice if there is a confirm box, so if you see a second box, type the exact same email again there. Once the new address is typed in correctly, click Save or Update. Look for a button labeled Save or Update near the bottom of that email section and click it once, then wait a few seconds. The page should refresh or the small window should close, and you should now see your new email written in place of the old one. On many accounts, this change takes effect right away, so any future Chewy messages will go to this new address unless you come back and edit it again using the same steps. You have now changed the email address connected to your Chewy account. If this saved you time, please consider giving it a like. It helps the next person who is stuck find this fix. And if you would like to support the channel, subscribe. It is free and truly keeps us going. Thanks for watching.